Want to check how much energy your solar panels are generating? Well, with the SolarEdge app, you can do that any place, anytime, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First, go to the SolarEdge app and enter your account details. If you don't have an account, contact us and we'll be able to help you out. Once inside the home screen of the SolarEdge app, you should see a quick snapshot of your system production. You should see solar production, energy consumption and battery status if you have one. Tap Energy to see a detailed graph where you can go from daily, weekly and monthly to see all the different trends over time. If your system has consumption monitoring, you should be able to see how much solar energy you're producing versus what you're buying from the grid. Want to make sure your system is running smoothly? Click the Alerts tab to see if there's any warnings about your system. Curious about your environmental impact? Well, on the app you can see how much CO2 you've saved, which is great for tracking your green contribution. And that's how you monitor your SolarEdge system. Keep an eye on the app to see your solar production to maximise savings and enjoy your clean energy.